Today we're going to do the Gujarati drape. This is my interpretation of the Gujarati drape. There's gonna be a couple things that are a little different. I'm using a Banarasi sari. It is super easy to drape. It's one of my favorite saris because the silk just falls. For undergarments, I'm wearing the Saree Silhouette and just a crop top. Let's get started. Let's quickly iron the entire sari to make pleating and draping that much easier. Once you're done ironing the sari, you want to pleat the pallu. So I'm just going to put it over this ironing board. You can use any flat surface. And let's take our pleats. So I'm just going to start pleating here and create another layer. And just keep doing that till we get to the other side. So I'm happy with this length. I'm going to pin it here and then fan out the rest of the pallu and iron it. Okay, so you just want to spread out the pleats until you're happy with them. I'm happy with this, and then you just want to press them down. Look at that. So take the pallu once you've done ironing it and make sure you're happy with how it looks. And if you want to change anything, then go ahead and do that while you still have the iron ready to go and press down these pallu pleats. As always, you want to take the non-fancy end and tuck it in, lightly grazing the floor, and do one round or twirl. You want to go right to the end of the sari, take that pallu, drape it over your right shoulder. And you want to just start pleating here. So again, always to the left of your belly button and start pleating. You guys can check out my video on how to pleat. Now, the authentic Gujarati drape, you should face your pleats this way. So they should face the right and not the left. I like to still do it to the left just because I like this part to look tighter and more, hugging your curves. So I'm gonna do it this way, but the authentic one is to face the other way. Once you've tucked in the pleats, as always, just fold any extra fabric you have here and tuck it in. The reason this is usually not tight is because you'll bring this back and kind of pin it back there. You can do that, but I like to just leave it in front. I think it looks nicer when you can see this part here as well. For this drape, I would definitely recommend a waist chain to hold all of your pleats together. Thank you so much for watching. If there are any other drapes you'd like me to try out or show you guys, leave them in the comment box below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in a future video.